In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit line items in Jobber efficiently and effectively. So, let's dive right in and guide you through the process from start to finish. First things first, you'll need to search for Jobber using your preferred web browser. Whether it's Chrome, Safari, or any other, just type Jobber into the search bar and hit enter. You'll likely see the official Jobber site as one of the top results, so go ahead and click that link to land on the homepage. Once you're on the Jobber homepage, it's time to log in. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials in the login section and click the login button. If you're new to Jobber, no worries. Just follow the prompts to sign up and set up your account. You'll want to take a moment to ensure that your account details are all set correctly, because once you've logged in, you'll have access to your dashboard where all the magic happens. Now that you're in, you need to locate the specific job you're looking to work on. Navigate to your jobs list and select the particular job you have in mind. This is where the invoicing happens. Once you've found your desired task, click on Invoice. This action will open up a detailed view of the invoice associated with that job, displaying all the line items that have been added so far. With everything laid out in front of you, it's time for some editing. To edit an individual line item, simply click on it. This will bring up a detailed view of that item, giving you the option to make changes. You can modify several aspects such as the details, including the quantity, unit price, name, and description, as well as the service date. It's your chance to ensure everything is accurate and reflective of the work completed or planned for your client. While editing, take a moment to double-check everything for accuracy. Consistency in details is crucial for maintaining professional and error-free invoices. Once you've made all the necessary edits to the line item, it's time to save those changes. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a Save button. Don't forget to click it once you're satisfied with the edits you've made. Saving your work is vital as it ensures that all your updates are not lost and immediately applied to the invoice. And there you have it, a straightforward way to edit line items within Jobber. By following these steps, you can seamlessly manage your invoices and keep everything up to date with ease. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has made managing your Jobber invoices a breeze. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy job managing!